Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, Rehan here, and our topic tonight is talking about teaching English as a missionary language. So before I will explain to you all our next topic, it's very important for us to know what does missionary language means, or what does missionary means. And according to the Oxford Dictionary and Cambridge Dictionary, missionary means a person who has been sent to other countries in order to share and convey and invite the people to convert to his religion, and or someone who persuade the other to convert to his religion, especially Christianity. And in this term they use Christian because maybe if you heard missionary, it refers to Christian people. But and the history years ago, missionary in Christian terms, and they teach English and they learn English in order to spread their religion and also to convey their religion and persuade and invite all of the peoples in their place where they live, and that's their purpose, to teach English. And but nowadays missionary is not just a term that refers to Christian but also to Islam, because in Islam also we have our own terms that's called as da'i, means alladhi yad'u, someone or a people who want to invite someone to his or her religion. So da'i, as we know, that's an Arabic word, is coming from da'i word comes from the word da'a yad'u, means to invite or to persuade. So the masdar or the gerund from this word is da'wah. So we also as a Muslim in this country do da'wah in our daily activities, especially in teaching English. So in my opinion, we as a good Muslim teacher need to teach English, need to learn English and improve our English skills in order to spread the kindness or the Islamic values, the Islamic message to another persons. And yeah, someone's need to be understand about our religion. And look at the example from Dr. Zakir Naik, the preacher or the lecturer from India, and he was successful in his journey, and during his journey he make thousands people convert to Islam because his good skills of communication, because he can't make sure the people, someone that was Christian before or atheist before or any other religions. So I think teaching English as a missionary language years ago is the missions of Christian religion to invite people to convert to Christian. But nowadays in Islamic perspective, in Islamic terms, because our course now is language Islamic perspective and we need to talk about Islamic perspective. So English also is our tools for Dakwah. We do teaching English for the purpose of Dakwah. So whenever you go to another country later, so if someone asks you about your religion, you can explain them, and it explained in our holy book, in our Quran, في سورة النحل, in Surah An-Nahl, verse 122.5, and the first is Ud'u ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ud'u ila sabili rabbika bil hikmati wal mau'izatil hasanah wajadilhum billati hiya ahsan inna rabbaka huwa a'lamu biman dhalla 'an sabilihi wa huwa a'lamu bil muhtadin. Ud'u ila sabili rabbika, invite them to the way of your Lord, bil hikmah, especially bil hikmah wal mau'izatil hasanah. Bil hikmah means with wisdom, and also al mau'izah al hasanah means with a good instruction, with a good advice. So when you invite someone or persuade someone to convert to your Islam, to our religion, we need to invite them and persuade them in a good wisdom, good way, a good instruction, and good advice. So wajadilhum billati hiya ahsan, and if they argue you or interrupt and argue your religion, jadilhum billati hiya ahsan, just argue them with a good way or with the best way that you can. And the last part of this verse is inna rabbaka huwa a'lam biman dhalla an sabilihi. Indeed, your Lord is most knowing of who has strayed for you or from you, and He is also the most knowing who is the rightly guided. Inna rabbaka huwa a'lam biman dhalla an sabilihi. Dolal, who has strayed, and wa huwa a'lam bil muhtadin, He is also the most knowing who is rightly guided. So Al-Quran has explained this right before this phenomenon of missionary. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teach our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam teach us to do this in our daily activities, to implement this verse, this ayah, in our daily activities whenever we meet someone who is not Islam. So yeah, that's the kind of teaching English as a missionary language. So when we teach our students later in the school or outside the school, we need to mix the Islamic values and the Islamic message in their mindset, so then they can also they got both of them. They understand English language and also they understand Islamic values, Islamic message in English language. So we got both of them. And I think that's all of my explanation tonight, and hope you enjoy it. Sorry for my mistake. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.